In the past several months, there are many NFT metaverse and play-to-earn projects launched in crypto market, but all these fail to provide one-stop solution for all Web3 services. In this video, I will share a platform where you will get all Web 3.0 and metaverse services in just one click. This is just a revolution in crypto market space. In the next few minutes, you would realize why this project is set to be the next big thing. But before the start of video, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and press bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Today's project name BIPIX. BIPIX is the first MetaFi project to combine essential concepts such as play-to-earn, metaverse, GameFi, NFT, DAO, blockchain, and DeFi games into one platform. Basically, in BIPIX, you will be able to access all Web 3.0 services in one place. Suppose you are a businessman and you have finished a meeting in your virtual office in Metaverse and want to relax. You can play your favorite play-to-earn game within BIPIX ecosystem and can also get access to all other services in just a couple of clicks. They provide Web 3.0 and blockchain solutions for nearly every business model, including B2B and B2C. BIPIX is now expanding into a blockchain lab, and it has started working on different protocols. In this video, I will just overview about their ecosystem and their protocols, and in next coming videos, I will briefly discuss all their protocol one by one. So the first main feature of this project is Super Metaverse. In BIPIX Super Metaverse, people will feel the augmented reality experience even more real and deeper in the metaverses. Also, the projects and business owners will benefit highly from reaching all the metaverse users around the world. BIPIX Super Metaverse will break the limitations of the primitive blockchain and provide definitive solutions for problems like scaling, communication, and segregation within and between the metaverses. In Metaverse, users can own, sell, build, and explore virtual land. BIPIX give you a chance to create and experience whatever you want. You can enjoy a second life in virtual land. Because the virtual world does not have the same constraints as the real world, the possibilities for development on the virtual lands are limitless. They have almost completed work on to build Metaverse. You can explore land map through their website. Next, BIPIX P2E protocol. This protocol is a technological solution that allows all existing or new games to be converted simply to play-to-earn games within hours. This protocol will be used in the BIPIX game platform within the BIPIX Super Metaverse environment. The game platform brings all blockchain-based games that are part of its framework under one roof and ensures that these games support the P2E protocol. Interconnection Layer 2 Protocol. Interconnection protocol for metaverses, which functions as a bridge that connects all metaverses and their users. Users of different metaverse connect with each other by using BIPIX Layer 2 protocol. Metaversification Protocol. This will allow users simply to build entire metaverses, games, and all their assets with a couple of clicks. That's all details about the feature of BIPIX. Now let's discuss about their long-term and short-term goal of BIPIX. Their short-term goals are Metaverse Test Live, Gaming Platform, BIPIX NFT Marketplace, 95% completed, BIPIX Swap, Publishing the Gems Hunter on Android Play Store and Apple Store, Listing of token on November 10. Long-term goal is Metaverse Blockchain, Super Metaverse Protocol and Application, Gaming Platform V2 Alpha, NFT Swap, DAOs 3D Creations, NFT Free Listing, BIPIX Earn Platform. They are currently in ICO phase, which will go on for a limited time, so must grab their token before sale end. They have developed a very efficient system to prevent pump and dump after the listing. For this, you can purchase a token with different vesting period of 30, 90, and 180 days. If you choose 180 days locking period, you will get token at very cheaper rate of $0.18. For 90 days locking period, you will get a tokens at $0.27. For 30 days locking period, you will get token at $0.33. The build a very strong project, and their claim after listing of token, the price will be $5, but I'm pretty sure will goes up to $20 to $30. That's all details about BIPIX. It's too difficult for me to cover such a huge project having different utilities in just 5 minutes, but I hope you would realize the potential of BIPIX project. That's all for today. I provide you complete detail about their project. Their website and social media links are also available in the description. For more latest videos related to cryptocurrency, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.